Welcome to Africa's biggest apparel launch.
For 29 years, we've been raising the bar. This year, we're taking it to a completely new level.
We always push ourselves to do better the last delivery, so we can always be on time.
There you go, there you go.
I pack 128,000 units a day just so it can get to you on time.
Our backbone of products and services empowers a 10,000 strong team of distributors across the African continent.
It's not just our styling and quality, but our obsession with detail, like using European German dyes on our darker fabrics to ensure that our products don't fade.
We provide platforms for brands to tell stories, from a basic t-shirt to the hybrid tech jacket collection.
Created by women for women.
"29 years of expertise and knowledge to master the perfect fit for Africans."
Great.
Choose BARRON, we are the responsible choice.
Your brand in good hands. We're obsessed with quality and durability.
For over 28 years, we've been raising the bar, and we will continue to do so in the future. Thank you for choosing BARRON.